Okay, hello. What I'm going to show you guys today is how to change the front brake pads on this 2013 FJR Yamaha, right? And the front brakes are located right over here, and then they're actually very simple to do. Some of the tools that we're going to require is we're going to need a torque wrench, 12mm socket, and a 5mm Allen. Okay. The brakes that we're going to be using is EBC brakes, and here is the all the codes that you require. Okay, so here we go. All right, so first thing that we want to do, we want to crack the brake pad bolt, right, with the 5mm, and it's right here. That way it's just easier for you guys to work with. They're right over here. Okay, all we're doing is we're just cracking them. Okay, and they're nice and loose. Okay, next what I'm going to do is we're going to crack the main bolts with the 12mm, which are located right here. Okay, good, and come on. Okay, and good. Now we can take these bolts off quickly. 1 and 2. Now what I want to do is I'm just going to depress the piston a little bit, and the whole thing is going to come up. Okay, here we go. So next we're going to remove the brake bolt pins located right here, right? Okay, one right here. I'm completely removing these guys. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like right here. We have a little spring pin and pin going right through, and all I'm doing is I'm just unscrewing all this. Okay, here. Okay, and just pulling it out. Okay, here. So here comes the pin, and now everything is just going to fall right down right here, and the clip. And as you can see, this pad is almost completely worn out compared to this guy right here, and that's why we're doing it. Okay, so new pads, I just want to show you guys the thickness of the new and used pad right here. So that's what it looks like, and that's why we're changing it. Okay, next I'm just going to take off the second one. Okay, and it's coming out. Okay, here we go. And the pen. Okay, so we have all the components out. So this is what it looks like. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be re-cleaning all this stuff right inside here with a brake cleaner, and installing the new pads. But first of all, before we do anything, I have to clean all this stuff. Okay, so I just cleaned the 2 pins. I'm about to clean everything else in here, but what I want is I just want to extend the pistons a little bit, so everything is slightly compressed. What I'm doing is I'm just pressing it right here on the brake, and I'm just expanding the pistons, because what I want to do is I want to clean them. I'm going to hold this guy right here and extend that second one so I can clean it. Okay, and that's basically what I want. Okay, so this is good, right? So now what I can do is I can take my brake cleaner right here, and then we can clean it. Like this, and with the brush. Correction out. Okay. Okay, next, what I want to do is I try to press these pistons with my fingers. Okay. Okay, and this one's going. You can see it. Okay. Okay, yeah. Or if not, you're gonna have to get a tool to depress it. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna give her one more cleaning all the way around. Okay. I'm going to clean the little clips up here. So we're going to do it. The pad's only going one way, okay? So one like this, one like this, okay? So the pistons, as you can see, the pistons are already depressed on this side, okay? Okay, we're gonna line this up, and I'm gonna move this out like this. That way you guys can see it. Okay. Okay. Okay, just like that. Then we're gonna put the clip in, like this, and we're gonna put the pin right through, and slowly navigate it through. Okay. Okay, here we go. This one just went in, no problem. And I'm just gonna go and tighten this up all the way in, just like that. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna do the second set of pads. Okay, and again, we're gonna do the same thing. I can go from the top if I want. Okay, here, and I'm just holding it with my fingers at the bottom. Here's the clip. Okay, and we're going to put the pin right through. Okay. 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 And we are in business. Okay, so this is as good as it gets. Next. Okay, so I have them nice and separated. Pistons are depressed all the way in. We are good to go. Now, what I'm doing is I'm just gonna go in line. This is a tight fit, but it should go in. Okay, here we go. What is happening? Okay, I got the one bolt. Okay, second bolt in. Okay. Just tighten this up. Okay. And this guy. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to quickly torque all these. Okay, so now we're going to torque the front brake caliper bolts to 29 foot-pounds. Okay, this one's good. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, tighten up the brake pad bolts, and they are 12 foot-pounds. So I'm just quickly change this and just tighten this up to 12 foot-pounds. Okay, good. And good. Okay, and last thing of what I want to do is I just want to depress the caliper all the way in. That way everything looks good. And it is. All right. So what we have learned in last 10-15 minutes is how to replace front brake pads on the FJR 1300 Yamaha. Okay, I have already done the other side because you have two of these guys. So if you follow these steps, you'll be able to do it. And if this video helped you out, please give me a like and a share, and I'll see you on the next one.